Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 4 of these wooden cubes I got from Dollar Tree. 2 of them I paint with coffee latte acrylic paint, the other with terracotta acrylic paint, both by Folkart. Next I take these 2-inch wooden letters I got from Amazon and I paint them with khaki color acrylic paint, and that's by Apple Barrel. Once that paint was on there and dry, I took a baby wipe and some white acrylic paint and whitewashed a little bit on each of the letters. Next, I take tacky glue and apply that to the back of each of the letters and place 1 on each cube. I go in with my heat tool just to make sure those are fully adhered. I then am hot gluing them all together vertically to spell out fall. You can definitely skip this part if you want to be able to move the design of them. And then I'm taking this thin burlap ribbon I got from Amazon and I start by hot gluing it to the bottom. And then I wrap it tightly all the way around, back to the bottom, and then hot glue that into place. And then make a raffia bow. Just loop it back and forth and then take another piece of raffia to tie it in the center. And then I cut the loops on the ends and scrunch them up so they're a little messy. Next, I'm hot gluing a wooden stem to the top and then hot gluing the raffia bow right in front of that. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.